In this video, I'll show you how you can add multiple TikTok accounts to one device. So if you want to add multiple accounts on your phone, then you will be able to do this after watching the video. So this should work on Android and iOS as well. So first of all, open the TikTok app and basically sign into the account that you've already been using. I assume that you're already signed in. Then go to your own profile, and then at the top you can actually click on your name with that arrow, like that small arrow right there, and you can then click on add account. So click on add account, and then right there you can sign up for a brand new account. So you can do that using phone, email, Facebook, Google, or Twitter, but you can also click on login at the bottom of this page. Already have an account, login. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on use phone or email, or click on continue with the other ones. So I'll just continue with Facebook for now. And there you go. So I just signed up for a brand new account, and right now I have two accounts on one device. Now you can click on add account again, and you can add up to 5 accounts on just one device. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.